Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Twilio CRM webhooks for lead status updates. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Log in to your Twilio account. Navigate to the console. Select the programmable voice option from the left sidebar. Click on webhooks under the programmable voice section. Locate the specific webhook you wish to update. Click the edit button next to the chosen webhook. In the edit screen, find the URL field where the current endpoint is displayed. Update the URL to the new endpoint for lead status updates. Scroll down to the events section. Ensure that the relevant events for lead status updates are selected. Review the permissions and settings associated with the webhook. After making changes, click the Save button to apply them. To test the webhook, trigger a lead status update in your application. Monitor the responses in your Twilio console to confirm the updates are received. If necessary, troubleshoot any issues by checking the error logs provided in the console. Ensure that your new endpoint is properly handling the incoming requests from Twilio. Finalize your updates and document the changes made for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.